In the given equation, a and b are positive constants. The product of the solutions to the given equation is k times ab, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Here we have a quadratic equation in standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. We know that there are two solutions for a quadratic equation. We have two values for x in a quadratic equation. When we have quadratic equation in standard form like this one, there is a formula to get product of the two solutions. The formula is c over a. That is, we have to divide the constant by the coefficient of x square. Since we have the given quadratic equation in standard form, we can use the same formula to get product of the two solutions. Let me write it. So product of the two solutions of the given quadratic equation equals to the constant term ab has to be divided by the coefficient of x square, that is 57. Already we have the product of the solutions of the given quadratic equation, that is kab. We can plug in this kab for the product over here. Then we get kab equals to ab over 57. Our aim is to get the value of k. Now to solve for k in this equation, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over ab. Let me do it. So here this ab will cancel out. Here this ab will cancel out. We have k on the left side. On the right side we have 1 over 57. Here I got the value of k, that is 1 over 57. I find 1 over 57 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.